This is from the desk of a CEO. My name is Natalie Hartman. I am with the #1 brokerage in McHenry County, Illinois, and the #1 real estate company in the world. I'm with Keller Williams. I'm the team leader, CEO, and proud mama bear to an amazing office of agents. We're located in the northwest suburbs of Chicago, so I have agents from all over this area that call Barrington their home. I want to come to you today, just introduce myself and explain to you what I do for our top agents. I wear many, many, many hats. There's really three things that I think are my top priorities, and that is to coach our top people, motivate our top people, and train our top people. How do we do that? Luckily for me, I work for a company that provides a lot of information, a lot of support. That way I can turn around and give that to my agents. The other thing, as far as motivation, I've been around this company a long time. I got my license back in 2005, and I've been with this company since 2006. And I had an opportunity in 2017 to go into a leadership role. And so I've been in this role going on 9 years this year. It's a challenging role, and I absolutely love it. I think it's one of the best positions in the company. And so I'll tell you why that is. Again, to coach, motivate, and educate, I don't have to do it by myself. And no matter what level you are in the company, and no matter what level you are as an agent, we will always be trying to find ways to elevate you to that next level if that's what you want. But I'm going to give you an example of something that just came out. There is a lot of chatter right now with different companies and what we're doing with different companies to help our company and our agents. And it's quite crazy, actually. But there's an example is what we just did with Zillow. So our company actually became an affiliate or a part of this program. It's called the Zillow Preview Program. I'm going to read some of my notes here to be sure that I'm getting it proper because it's pretty new to us. My point of this is not only were we able to turn around to our agents the very next day and explain what this is, I was able to meet with my leadership council and explain what this is. And prior to all of that happening, our president of our company, all top Keller Williams force and owners and presidents and anybody who's anybody called an immediate meeting for us to talk about this exciting new venture and wanted to arm us with the information so we could share it with our people. So this is for all of our agents. It costs them nothing. It's called the Zillow Preview Program. So I'm going to share with you what it is. If you have any questions, I'd love to debate what your thoughts are on this. But I'm learning more and more. It's only been a few days since this was rolled out. But the more I talk about it, the more I'm excited for our people. So it's called the Zillow Preview Program. It's a mouthful. We launched as a partnership with Zillow, and it's designed to bring pre-market listings out of private networks into the public eye. All right, I'm going to stop right there. This is a huge difference compared to what some other companies are doing as far as their platforms. This is open to all. Our agents are going to be able to get their properties, their listings, their clients' homes out to the masses. I'm going to look at the stat. Zillow has an audience of about 235 million users. That's a ton of eyeballs on your listing. And so this is a great thing for your clients. And here's what's really cool for you as a realtor. This is going to make sure that you also have control and your own recognition as that listing agent. It does not cost you to do this. This is what the company did for us. So what that means is when somebody looks on Zillow and sees your listing, they're also going to see you, your contact information, all your information that makes you stand above the crowd, and it's going to help your homeowner get all of that exposure. Here's the other thing that I think is really, really huge. One of the philosophies that we've always had and a belief is that if it's your listing, it's your lead. Your listing, your lead. So in the good old days when people would actually call on a sign, and still sometimes they do, If they call the company and they say, I want to see 123 Main Street, we're going to see who the listing agent is and we give it to you. We will transfer that call to the listing agent, as it should be. You work really hard. So you should be able to also double up on your business, because hopefully you're getting from that beautiful listing that you have some potential buyers, whether they buy that house or not. You want to be able to have a bigger pool of clients. So that's huge. Here's what's different with this program. The consumer can want to see 123 Main Street and click on scheduling a tour either with you, or for any reason they felt like they wanted to go with somebody that is an unbiased buyer's agent, they can do that as well. Here's what the difference is. First of all, you get that opportunity. Second of all, it is something that if that buyer's agent who has an agreement with Zillow, this is a whole separate thing. If they do get that house under contract, or they get a lead that came from your listing, you are going to get a percentage as a referral from that. So it is really a win-win. They've got new business. Your client is getting maximum exposure. You're either going to get that buyer or you're going to get a referral from the buyer's agent. And there's some details that we could sit down and talk about. It's got to be within a certain time frame. And so there's some specifics that I'm happy to share with you. But this is huge, guys. This is a gigantic difference in that anybody can see this. This is pre-MLS. So it's not under a hidden umbrella that only certain agents from certain companies, because you work for this other company, it grabbed all that. There's no way that, in my opinion, and this is my opinion, not the company's, this is my opinion, does that help your client at all? And it certainly doesn't help you as a listing agent try to get continued business. So I'm very excited about this. This is going to roll out Q2, which is coming soon. So please let me know if you want to know more about it. But again, super excited about what I can do for our agents. I get to work with all of the agents. I focus in on our top 20%. That's where I feel like what I've learned in my experience in this, I can help you build your business. And again, it's not all up here. It's the collaboration and the win-win culture of this company. I learned from so many people, and I get to bring that to you. So hit me up if you want to talk more, you will learn. Happy to have a conversation, cup of coffee, glass of wine. And I look forward to connecting soon. Have a fantastic day.